Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Around the House Innovations. AirHood is the name of a company that has designed a clever portable exhaust fan for cooking. It pulls in smoke, fumes, and has a filter for grease as well. It's handy to use with portable burners or maybe in RVs. And there are even models that work on rechargeable batteries. It sits alongside the cooking area and features an activated charcoal filter. The price, about $160. Find more at airhood.com. Another interesting innovation comes from Fold-N-Pack. It has developed a smart hanger with a mechanism to make it easy to fold a shirt to fit into a carry-on bag without removing it from the hanger. The price, about $20 at fold-n-pack.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.